Hey, have you been wondering which platform would be best for your course business? Well, stick around if you're curious about Udemy versus Teachable in 2019. Hey, Cynthia here, just to share with you a little bit about my experience with both Udemy and Teachable so far. So, with Udemy, I uploaded my videos and I was able to set my price for my course, but I noticed when I started selling courses that they were normally being sold on sale and I was only receiving 50% of the revenue. I put a link in the description to show you the page where that's all explained in detail from Udemy. The thing about Udemy is that when a student enrolls, you don't get their name and email address. So they can send you questions, and so you've got communication with them. You can send them announcements. But if I were to leave the platform, then I have to rebuild my student list from scratch. My takeaway from Udemy is that basically I would have in my mind for my next course that I would be marketing it heavily myself and not relying on their promotions. All right, so with Teachable, so I uploaded my videos onto their platform, the same as Udemy, and I got to set my own pricing. Yeah, your fees are going to be dictated based on the plan that you go with. They do have a free plan if you just wanted to try them out at first. And the thing is that when a student enrolls in my course, I get their name and their email address. So if I ever leave the platform, that list comes with me. So that's great. I don't have to rebuild from scratch. All right, so in conclusion, I put together a little slide for you. It's a table showing potential revenues that you can expect from selling courses on each of the platforms. All right, so we have Udemy on the left and Teachable on the right, and we're selling 10 courses within a given year just for easy math. And one of the assumptions is that the courses sold on Udemy are always being sold at the sale price of $20, regardless of the pricing that I set when I uploaded my course. And so because they take 50% of the revenue, I end up with a net profit of $100. Over on Teachable, I set my price for $100 per course. So with Teachable, the basic plan paid annually, my cost is $348, and the cost for selling 10 courses is $50 plus $32, and that is the transaction fees and processing fees. So I end up with a net profit of $570. So it's clear that I'm further ahead with Teachable. So if you have any questions, just drop me a comment. Otherwise, take care and bye for now.